These grits with peaches and walnuts will make your home smell like fall, and it will warm your heart. Put 1 liter of milk to boil. While the milk is heating up, prepare the peaches. Cut them in half and remove the seed. Cut each half in small cubes. You want juicy peaches for this delicious dish. For this amount of grits, you will need about 5 to 6 medium-sized peaches. Once the milk is hot, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla sugar. When the milk starts boiling, pour in the grits, 5 spoons total. The best is to pour it little by little while stirring constantly, so you won't end up with lumps in the grits. Cook it on medium heat until it thickens. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt too. Next, chop finely about 2 fistfuls of walnuts. If you would like more fruity flavor, then reduce the amount of walnuts to about a half handful. Caramelize 1 tablespoon of sugar until you get a light golden color. You can use white sugar or cane sugar as well. Add the chopped walnuts and cook them for a minute. It will get a great aroma this way. Next, add the peach cubes. Stir for a minute or two, close with a lid and leave on the stove for another few minutes. Lastly, add a spoon of honey. Serve the grits in small bowls and pour over it the amazingly sweet topping. Sprinkle with some cinnamon powdered sugar and enjoy the great smell and taste as well. Like, share, and if you are first time here at Valentina's Simply Good Food, subscribe so you won't miss any upcoming Simply Delicious recipe.